Look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, two-wheel drive Ext cab 143.5 LT. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 on the highway. The Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. This vehicle comes equipped with power steering, AM/FM stereo, tinted windows and fog lights. Call 910-798-2727 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.